This riveting machine takes a slat and an end bracket and bonds them together in order to create a step for a semi-truck. These rivets from AKH are self-piercing, meaning you don't need to put a hole in the parts before using them. The rivets sit flush and create a structural bond between the two parts. The end bracket has slotted holes that fit the spring-loaded tooling to ensure a proper alignment. As you can see here, the plate was loaded to the left, which didn't make the sensors. Therefore, the machine won't run until the operator fixes the alignment. When the operator loads the slat and steps on the foot pedal, the rivets are extended into the tooling, and the presses extend to bond the two parts. Slugs are dropped into the bucket below to be recycled later. The presses retract and the second side is ready to be bonded. There's a lot of equipment that is used to make this machine function, such as a vibratory bowl feeder that blows the rivets into escapements that splits them to go into both sides of the tooling. The rivets are blown through tubes that have ring sensors that ensure they made it through the full path. The rivets are then pressed into spring-loaded tooling, which gives us the highest accuracy possible. The presses are driven by a Tox air-over-oil system. Keyence light curtains are used to keep the operator safe, and an Allen Bradley HMI and PLC control the system. So give us a call today to find out how we can help move your company forward, because at Versatech, we're all about solutions.